Engineer. This is for my YouTube though. No kids suddenly running across the field or something.
No kids running across the field at all. Unless it's just some barefoot farm kid. He knows better though.
Yeah, probably.
At that time, please remember to check on your seating area. Seat pockets, overhead bins for all personal belongings remain upon aboard. Please take care when opening overhead bins. This contents may be accepted during flight. Once inside the terminal building, connecting, get information. We'll be right back. Television monitors, uniform representative, or rest of the United app. We're going to ask for your assistance. We do have quite a few, but we have 64 passengers who are leaving on other flights around 10, and we're not sure if they're holding their planes a little bit, but if you could, rather than get stuck in Houston tonight, if you could please help them out by staying seated just to let the 60 people off, they would highly appreciate it. On behalf of myself and the rest of the Houston-based crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing United today, and hope you enjoyed the rest of your weekend.
Use a little pedal jumper over, but my flight leaves at 10:15. And it's a terminal over, so
Yeah, they're boarding now.
I'm gonna be sprinting.
Dude, when
I'm
I was
hoping
heading to Orlando,
they hold it.
when I just rented a car, just trying to
Right? Yeah, that's what. Yeah.
my flight to Orlando, my app said it was on C30, so I waited, sitting there hanging out. Everybody's loading. I had a tube with me, and I was gonna go ask if I could check that. Get on the plane. And then I look, it says San Francisco. And I look at my app, and it was E11. So I ran all the way over there.
All right,
Good
man.
luck, man.
Take it easy.